Hi, it's Pascal here, and in this video I want to talk about asking. You need to learn how to start asking for things. Now, this came off a call. I do host webinars every Saturday, 8 p.m. UK time, 3 p.m. New York time. So because I get students from all over the world, they join me and they ask me live questions, and I share some of the strategies I'm using, and we all interact. So a student was saying something in terms of he got into an affiliate program, and there was nobody to help him, and he couldn't figure out. It's not that what he needs to do is not there. It's clearly stated how to do it, but because his English is not that great, so he couldn't figure out where things were. So he felt somehow lost. So when he joined my training, so I was now guiding him on where things are and all that. So he came out and said, I've been the light in terms of his business, that I have really helped him. He's been with me now for about 3 months, and he has gone out to build out his website by himself. He's set up affiliate links, and he's thinking of, actually last Saturday he was thinking about starting marketing on Bing. So that's by the way. But what I'm bringing up his story is, on Saturday he was saying that I was the one that helped him, that the training did not provide a lot of insight as to how to find things and all that. I said that whatever, for some reason, that he couldn't figure out things. If it wasn't for me, that he would have quit. I'm like, it's easy for us to say the training, I don't know whether you're in another affiliate program or anything, it will be easy for you to say this training did not work, or because XYZ, and this training this happened. We don't always try to understand that we are the reason why we fail. I said to him, I normally use the Bible, you know what I mean? So I said to him, did you ask? Did you ask anybody or did you reach out for help and nobody helped you? He said, it should be like this. You see, even if you asked, he said he asked a few questions, but nobody came back to him. And he said, I said to him, in the Bible they said, did they say ask and get angry, or ask and get frustrated? They only say ask and you shall receive. So he didn't say the number of times you should ask. So we are in a generation, we expect things instantly to happen, and when it doesn't happen, we run out of patience. And this is a viral effect. It's more like Amazon delivery, instant delivery. They deliver on the same day delivery, all those products. So when it doesn't come, we freak out. Whereas 10 years ago, it would take at least a week for you to get delivery. But the world is rapidly changing, but you have to understand the fundamentals in human beings will not change. For you to be at the top, you still have to be robust and strong in all areas. You need to be smart and learn when to not to freak out, learn when to reach out and ask for help. Because if you're going with what the general, they say 97% of people, why they are unsuccessful and why it's only 3%. If you're going with all what the way 97% of the world behaves, impatience and all that, then you're going to actually bring more of that to your life. You're not going to, and that will cause your emotions to, you will start boiling up, and you will give up, and maybe you will lose money, and it will lead you to things that you don't even know. I don't know. But what I'm saying is, learn to ask, and when you ask, be patient to respond. When I started my online business, I spent 6 months. Why I'm saying this is, I was listening to, there's something you need to change. It's called a paradigm. I was listening to Les Brown every single day. It's not over until I win. And the when I was trying to advertise the first time on Bing or something, they suspended me, and I was really, every time I would be on the phone to Google and they will shut me down. They wouldn't let me in. They will shut me down. I was not getting angry because I was listening to this message audio by Les Brown. It was saying, it's not over until I win. It's not over until I win. So every time I knock on the door or I try to reach out for help, if nobody comes back to me, I did not get angry. I was saying, I haven't figured this out yet. I have to find someone. I know somebody will help me. It's out there, but I haven't found this person. So it's not over until I find that person. It's not over until I find. So even though I spent 6 months, I didn't feel that I spent 6 months. And immediately I got the result I wanted. That's when my business went up straight. So you must. I'm not gonna project negativity to you, but everybody's gonna face challenges of some sort. So you have to learn to manage yourself, your emotions. I've talked about this in the previous video. But know when to ask and be patient to receive. Because if you put yourself out there, sometimes we don't ask because of what we think somebody else might say to me or something what the other person. We create things in our mind. I don't want to feel like I'm disturbing you. That's why I don't ask. That was not how I was behaving, and that's not how Les Brown said you should behave. Les Brown said you have to keep knocking on that door. You have something I want. Give it to me, or else I wouldn't let you rest. It's in the Bible. I wouldn't let you go until you bless me. Something like that. These things play a little role. There's some things that you have heard, but you don't know where to place them in your life as you go on. These are the things I'm figuring out in my online business. So today, learn to ask. And don't be ashamed of what the next person, whether they turn you down. Don't feel bad. Just know that person that turned you down is not the right person for you. Just find another person. If you feel he's the right person, you keep knocking on his door, he will still release. He will know that you're persistent, and persistence is another word for faith. So if you keep persevering somebody to give you something, at some point they will get sick and tired of you and they will give it to you. That's my message for today. I wish you all the best and take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.